Alright, fellas. I got a special candy I want to share with you. You want some special gummies?
Yeah.
Alright, take one.
I'll take one.
You take the green one? Give it a go.
I want you.
Eat it up.
I want the green one.
They're sour. Did you try to eat them again? They're yummy. Look, watch. I'll eat one.
I don't like sour. I do like sour. I do like sour.
After the sour goes away, they get sweet. You have to lick all that sour off of them first.
Okay, I will get all that sour off all four. That's super yummy.
Oh, that's super yummy? You want to try another one, Ellis?
Yes. I want orange.
Orange? That looks like yellow to me.
That's orange.
You want to try another one?
What's this one? Oh, that a day one. We was getting up.
Alright, Oscar.
Pumpkin. Okay, pumpkin.
You want to eat another one?
No.
No? Are they too much for
This
you?
one's pumpkin. Which one? I got. Will you tell me which one I got? I like skeleton. Okay. I like a pumpkin. You like a skeleton. I like a pumpkin. You can't have two of them.
You don't have any problem with those at all, do you, Ellis? You sure you don't want to try another one, Oscar?
I want the wall.
Alright, I guess you can eat the rest of them, Ellis. I love you.
I love you. I want more gummies.
You can have, well, there's not very many in there, but you can eat the rest of them. You eat the rest of them? Alright, say bye.
Bye.